In the African savanna, few animals inspire as much fear and respect as the African buffalo. Lions may be kings of the plains, but buffaloes are the animals that remind them just how dangerous hunting can be. This is what happens when buffaloes fight back. African buffaloes are massive, weighing up to 900 kilograms, with thick skin, powerful muscles, and horns designed for war. But their greatest weapon isn't size or strength. It's unity. Buffaloes live in large herds that can number in the hundreds. When predators approach, they don't scatter like antelope. They bunch together, forming a wall of horns and muscle. Lions know this. A hunt usually begins with separation. Lions target the young, the old, or the sick, individuals pushed to the edge of the herd. If they succeed, the hunt is quick. But if they fail, everything changes. Buffalo herds have been observed turning back to confront lions. Adult males move forward, lowering their heads. Calves are pushed into the center. The herd becomes a single, moving force. When buffaloes charge, they don't bluff. They aim to kill. Lions that get caught go red, trampled, and tossed into the air. There are recorded cases of lions dying beneath hooves and horns, crushed before they can escape. Even a single buffalo can be dangerous. But a group is overwhelming. Some of the most dramatic wildlife footage ever recorded shows buffaloes rescuing their young, chasing lions away, surrounding them, and forcing them to retreat. Lions quickly learn that a failed buffalo hunt is not just a missed meal. It's a near-death experience. This constant risk shapes lion behavior. Lions hunt buffalo only when they have numbers, coordination, and a clear advantage. Even then, injuries are common. A broken rib or punctured lung can mean slow death from starvation. Buffaloes survive not by speed, but by refusing to abandon each other. In the savanna, courage is contagious. When one buffalo turns to face danger, others follow. This balance keeps both predators and prey in check. Lions test the herd. Buffaloes test the lions. Neither side dominates for long. Because in nature, strength isn't just about who attacks. Sometimes, it's about who refuses to run.